Greetings everyone, Larry back to you from Rushing Forward Adventures. Hey, I got some parts in. I got a new vacuum chamber for the front drive axle. I've been working on the wiring some and cleaning up some, and this here is the fuse and relay for the ABS. I still keep getting a code for the ABS power relay, which is mounts there. This is the relay, but I've checked the relay and it seems to be okay, so I'm not sure what the deal is there. I've cleaned the grounds, ran new grounds. At any rate, I might run a ground from here over to there, because that is the there with my finger pointing is the ABS, Kelsey Hayes ABS unit, and that supposedly grounds to the radiator support on the other side. I just might run me a heavy ground right from here that comes right off the battery terminal right over to there, but I don't know that that would make any difference, but we might try it anyway. Then kind of go from there. So I'll bring you back when I got more and we decide where we're going. I've been investigating the wiring here because I got an intermittent code back for the fuel pressure in the tank, but my 5-volt reference signal, I'm losing some of that 5-volt reference signal. So, but that's where we're at now, and we'll carry on and see if we can't make this just a little bit better. Definitely not hurting it in any way, but I need to see about getting this on the road. So thanks all for watching. I'll bring you back when I got more, if I deciding how I'm going to go on with this, and I'll be back to you. Thanks for watching. Yeah, I'm back. I got some stuff put back together. I got the battery and all that wiring and all that stuff back together. I did go ahead and this ground down over here, don't know that you can see it, put new ends on it and re-grounded it and so forth like that. Because that one black wire is a pretty heavy gauge wire, and from the looks of it, it may actually go to the Kelsey Hayes here. But alright, that's where I'm at, getting her back together. I know the timing is off, but it's not significant to where it causes it not to want to run. And I have been driving it a little bit, and I just until it actually gets warmer out to where it's comfortable to be out here in the garage, I just I think I'll worry about that later. Right now we're just going to stick it back together and see if we can't get it moving and running, and so that my daughter can drive it. for now. So that's where we're at. Thank you so much for watching. Probably going to be more to come on this. But for now, we're going to call it good, and so that she can start driving a little bit. And we'll go from there. So thank you so much for watching. Y'all have a wonderful day, and we'll see you on the next one.